in this video tutorial, we're going to show you how to update to the latest Android security update to your phone. So, as always, scroll down, and then if you've got a notification there, just click on that, or you can go to the cog and scroll down, and then you've got software update, click on that, and then click on download and install. Otherwise this will be like check for updates. You click on that, check for updates. So this update is going to be the One UI 5.1 update. Download this now. Now with all these updates, we're going to lose connection, and then I'll come back. Okay, so it's finally downloaded, and then we can click on install now. Now click on install now. Alright, as you can see, we are back and should be up to date now. So we'll just scroll down from the top. Go into our settings. Software update. We'll do a check. Software is up to date. We're on 5.1 and April 20. Alright, so we're all up to date. Sorry about that. We're all up to date. We're on One UI version 5.1. and got the security patch level 1st of April 23. So that's it, guys. You can also go into About Phone and have a look at this stuff and look at your software information, and you've got your Android level and 5.1 information there. Okay, that's it, guys. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel, like our video, and we will come out with more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.